Surprise! Surprise!
Surprise.
Yes, let me get the surprise for you outside.
Surprise. Hey, where do you think you're going?
I actually came to fix something for your wife.
Please stand up! Who are you? Sorry, sir. Hey, stand up. Stand up!
Sorry, sir. Please forgive me. I actually came to...
Hey, please shut up. So you don't have fear. Are you enter my house? So you came to face my wife?
No. How can I do that?
Let's see.
I cannot take that.
Now you down. Hey, you down!
Sorry, sir.
Lift up your two hands.
Did he disappear or what? Surprise!
Sir,
So you don't have fear to enter my house?
I only came to fix lights.
And you want to sneak out, alright?
No, sir. I'm sorry. I came to fix something.
You came to fix something. So now my wife is the person you are visiting, right?
No, I swear to God, can I fix your wife?
I'm even talking, you're swearing to God. Eh? I'm talking as you're swearing to God. Are you stupid? Is something wrong with you?
Sorry.
Stand up! Will you stand up from there? Hey, come here. Come here. Sit down here. Now listen. So if you try me, I will make sure I cut off your neck. So you have the effrontery. You have the audacity to enter my house. Eh? So you have the audacity to enter my house. You want me to strangle you?
Sorry, sir.
Are you okay? I want to kill you.
Sorry, sir.
What's going on here? What are you doing? Wait. You're not doing men? Oh, really?
I don't understand. What are you saying?
Is that what you do in this house, babe? So I'm not good enough for you, right? So what you're doing now is to have something with your fellow man.
I will shut up with your blackmail, strong nonsense pattern.
What are you saying? I saw the position you were sitting on him.
See, let me tell you.
Hey!
Don't allow me to descend on you heavily. Do you think I don't know your plan? Oh, you're working here to blackmail me with such words?
By the way, who are you and what are you doing in my house?
I should be asking you that.
Who are you and what are you doing in my house?
I actually came to see him.
Oh, you see?
What are you saying?
You see what
Are you
I'm
okay?
saying? Oh, this is what I do.
What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing?
I'm trying to do that.
Who are you? Hey, listen
see?
to me. If you try me, I will call the security on you now. Now, who are you? You don't want to tell the truth. Okay.
Sorry, I came to see your wife. Please, I came to see her.
What are you saying? See which wife?
So this is what you do.
You're not the one that brought me in here.
Shut up.
What are you saying?
Who?
So Lillian, this is what you do.
Please pay me, let me go.
Hey, shut up.
She has not paid me my money.
You have the audacity to say such nonsense in front of me. Lillian, so you brought in a man to my house and you're giving me surprise. All this useless surprise that you girls are doing nowadays to deceive your husband. You think I will not? You think I won't know? Yes, you think I didn't see him? Now listen to me. Everybody shut up. Now listen. Because you have done this, because you have done this evil act, I know what to do to you. Young man, now leave my house. I'm sparing you today because I'm in a very good mood. Now leave my house. I said leave my house. Leave my house. Are you stupid? Get out. Get out of my house. So you brought in that Shoki in my house. So now Cynthia, Lillian, you now have the courage to bring in men in my sitting room. And with your so-called fake surprise. Is that it? Alright. I know what I will do. Go up there and wait for me. I say go up there and wait for me. Go up there and wait for me. Hey, come back. Pick your surprise. Do that. Get out. Go up there and wait for me. So this is what you do, right? You'll be doing surprise. Deceiving your husband. You think I will not know? You think I didn't see him? By the time I finish with you today, your parents will hear about this.